Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to the Kamado Joe cooking channel. Today we're going to fire up our Kamado Joe Classic and make some tater skins for Super Bowl weekend, so let's get started. I've got a fire started here in the center of the firebox of my Kamado Joe Classic, and we're going to set up today for some indirect cooking, and I'm going to set the divide and conquer flexible cooking rack in place with the heat deflector in the low position and the grill grates up high, and we're going to let our temperature in this grill come up to around 400 degrees. And to do that, I'm going to leave the bottom vent fully open, and I'm going to leave the top vent fully open also until we get up to around 350, and then I'm going to start closing this down until we settle in around 400 degrees. Our grill's up to temp, so I'm going to pop it open here, and I've got about 12 potatoes here that I've washed, scrubbed, and I have tossed these guys in a little bit of olive oil, and we're just going to put all these on the grill. I've got about 12 of them here. And then I'm going to put my extender rack in place. And I've got a tray of bacon that we're going to set right up on top of those. And we're going to close the lid. These potatoes are going to cook for a total of about 45 minutes or so, and the bacon's going to go 20 or 25. So we'll come back and take that off when it's done. Okay guys, our bacon's looking pretty good. So I'm going to take that off. We're going to set it aside. We're going to take it on in the house, and we're going to chop that a little later. So we'll be back. Okay guys, about halfway through here I took the bacon off, and I also flipped these potatoes over, and they've been on here for about 45 minutes. So we're going to take these off, take them inside, and we've got to let them cool down a little bit before we go on to the next step. And I am also going to open the vents up on the grill just a little bit more here, and we're going to let the temperature come up to somewhere between 450 and 500. I let these potatoes cool for a little while, then I sliced them in half lengthwise, and then I scooped out most of the potato where what we've got here is a potato skin. So we're going to continue on here. I have taken some butter and I've melted the butter. I've put in a little bit of minced garlic and some black pepper, and we're just going to brush the inside of these potato skins with a little layer of that butter and garlic and black pepper mixture. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of freshly grated smoked Gouda that I smoked myself also. And then a little bit of that bacon that we cooked on top of these, and I chopped this up finally. And I'm going to get the rest of these done just like that, and then we're going to take these back to the grill. Alright, I've let my grill run up to almost 500 degrees here. So we're going to put these tater skins back on here long enough to get that cheese melted and crisp these things up a little bit. So we'll stuff these bad boys on here, close that door, and we'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, we've let these stay on here. Got that cheese melted up, everything's looking good here, so I'm going to take these back off and we'll take them back inside. Okay, I brought these in and we're going to finish these off. We're going to put just a little dollop of sour cream in the center of each one of those, and then we're going to sprinkle on some finely diced green onion, and then I'm going to finish each one of those off with a little pinch of Maldon salt or some other coarse grained salt, and there you have a fantastic treat for the Super Bowl. So if you're looking for something fairly quick, fairly easy for Super Bowl Sunday, something to go along with those brownies we made last week, give this a try. I think you'll be impressed. Until next time, I'm John Setzler with Kamado Joe Cooking Channel.